Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming Channel. In this video we will see parameter to restrict maximum wear offset value. Press Offset button. Currently in the wear offset screen you can notice that any value can be entered using Input button. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Ensure value 1 in parameter right. Press System button. Type 5013 and then press number search. I will restrict the maximum wear offset value to 1 mm. Press Offset button. Press Offset soft key. Now try entering value more than the value entered in parameter, that is 1 mm. You can see data out of range alarm. You can see that we can enter value only up to 1 mm. This parameter apply for entire wear offset list. Thank you for watching the video.